What's the meaning of contribute? Contribute. Contribute.
Contribute. Contribute. Contribute means to give or provide something, typically in order to achieve a shared goal or purpose. It can also refer to donating money or time to support a cause or organization. Contributing can have positive impacts, such as improving a community or advancing knowledge in a field. However, it can also have negative consequences if the contribution is harmful or misguided. Overall, contributing is about actively participating and making a meaningful impact towards a greater good.